Hey everybody, I'm Jon Gust, Director of Sales here at Heartland RV, to go over one of the great floor plans in this industry, a 2600BH Prowler. This is going to be a non-slide unit coming in at about 4,800 pounds and in that sweet spot of just under 30 feet, 29.5 to be exact. Let's go over some of the features on the outside quick, and then of course check out the inside. So on the front here, of course, we're always going to have that smooth metal front, which I really love as compared to the Mesa metal front. 20-pound tanks, power tongue jack, and that awesome integrated A-frame that just gives you so much a structure advantage over just your standard A-frame, because that thing is going right through that cross member into the I-beam, and that's a much better securement point for the very front of your unit. Coming over to the side, you're going to get some great pass-through storage. For a travel trailer, of course, it's lighted, and we do use plywood decking everywhere. Here and here, that's always a good spot to check when you're on the lot to make sure we're not using particle board. Coming through here, nice size awning, great outside speakers with Bluetooth feature, a nice large grab handle. I always want to touch on the galvanized steel throughout here, so if we happen to catch some debris on the road or anything like that, all of this area is protected with galvanized steel. I'll also touch on the steps real quick, of course, having those great solid stance steps. In this model, the 2600, we do gain a nice outside storage, because sometimes in these travel trailers, the pass-through isn't really big. So having that little extra storage is nice. And of course, we have the tankless water heater. That is available on all the Prowler product, top to bottom. And while we're standing out here, you notice this is smooth, right? It doesn't have the wavy walls or the Mesa metal. This has got the glass sidewall option, which is available on everything for Prowler, from your smallest single axle up to your big tandem axles. The non-slides will just have the glass feature. The slide models will give you the whole platinum package, which we'll go into in another video. Now that we've seen the outside, let's go check out the inside. Okay, inside of the 2600BH Prowler, we have some great features. This floor plan has been around for a long time in some form or fashion across the entire industry, just because it's so functional and great. This is a bunkhouse, but it's gonna have a lot of seating appointments. So the downside sometimes to a little bunkhouse is that you don't have enough seating for all the people that can sleep. So we can seat as many as we sleep, which is important. We have a nice jackknife sofa here with a nice pull down. Obviously gonna have good storage underneath there as well. One thing to touch on real quick, we're gonna have USBs and USB-Cs everywhere, but we do hardwood doors everywhere, okay, and hardwood drawers. So anytime you're running these, you're not gonna get that cheap paper that you get a little bit of water on it, it swells up, gets water damage. Same thing on the countertops. You have a full pressed countertop, so a lot less likely for water to get intruded in there as well. I love the window space in here. Of course, a full booth, you're gonna have storage under there. This also makes into a bed. Having an oven and a microwave on top, that's one thing that we've kind of gone a little stingy on sometimes in the industry, is we just throw a microwave under here. So you do have both appointments available. Nice good sized fridge, and we're gonna have two double bunks here in the back. This bottom one flips up, so you just get additional storage and access to that storage back here. In the bathroom, I do like having the feature of having the sink outside here, because that way if somebody's taking a shower or using the bathroom, you still can get over here, get ready, wash your hands, whatever you want to do. So it's nice having that. It's a kind of a multi-feature I really like. Again, going through here, just all the storage under here, overhead, down low, and we'll swing around again, getting a look at this jackknife. But this is a good opportunity to talk about. Sometimes in this floor plan, we'll go to a 3/4 wall, we call it. So this wall is kind of notched out. In some cases, there's really not a wall at all. It's just kind of a partition here. We go ahead and do the whole wall. That way, when this bedroom's closed, you have complete privacy. Coming into the bedroom, one great thing, there's nothing crazy about this other than it's terribly functional, again, because that's what this floor plan does. Great area next to each side of the bed. You can either go to a bigger mattress if you want to, or have plenty of room for your CPAPs or anything else that you like to keep around your bed at night. Good storage up top and overhead, and we always do the plywood check here at the bed base, and with great storage, and it's strutted, so I can sit in here and load this stuff while I'm going without the thing bonking me back on the head. Again, this is the 2600BH Prowler. Please come check out all the Core 5 and a bunch of the other gold standards we have on this thing at heartlandrvs.com. Thank you.